Is it sunburn, suntan, sunscald, or blossom end rot? Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. A happy Friday to you all. It is Friday the 24th of July 2026 and it is day 159 of the Chilli grow up. It's a hot day today, 25 degrees. Me and Lucy have just been out. Took you for a bathroom break, didn't we, kid? You enjoying this heat? Oh yes. So yeah, everybody's looking okay today. I did check the soil and about an inch down, there's a little bit of moisture still, but they're all ready for pretty much watering and fertilizing. Now, I had a comment yesterday, obviously posting on the new pods that were changing for this ghost pepper. So we're going to look a bit closer into this because I really hope this is just changing colours into a mature red and not the worst. So let's have a little look closer into this and see what options we've got. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful Friday and you've had a great week. Lucy and I are doing awesome, just enjoying the sun, like I said. And you go. So let's do this. Let's get into day 159. Well, good morning, madam. Happy Friday to you. Are you ready for an egg? I think you are, aren't you? Yeah? Can I get a pull? Thank you very much. Enjoy. Okay, so firstly I want to bring attention to the darkness on this Ripening Masala. You see, it does look like there's a little bit of sunburn going on with these peppers. But again, they're dark purple peppers, so we can't really tell if there's any blossom end rot or not. But do you see there, just when it's starting to curve, the bottom of it, it's very dark, very black, so, and it doesn't feel soft or squidgy, it feels solid, so it might just be turning purple or staying this colour. But as you can see, there is some markings on this Ripening Masala. And just having a look through the Cayennes, I can't see any that are showing any sun scalding or any blossom end rot, which is great, but I've got nothing really to focus on. Last year, oh there we go, perfect. So you see that there just at the tip. So I think that it's rock solid still. It's not soft and squishy. So I think that's just a bit of sun scalding. It's just directly at the end of the branch here. So it's going to get more sun. So I don't think that is blossom end rot. So I'm hopeful that this ghost pepper doesn't have blossom end rot. But let's have a closer look, shall we? So here it is, the ghost pepper in question. I'm not sure whether it's sun scald. See, the top here looks brown. It's not mushy, or I think it's relatively firm. But there's no difference anywhere. That was a sign he's got to be looking for apparently if it's all mushy, but this feels fine, rock solid. Probably shouldn't be touching this with my bare hands, but yeah, feels okay, no difference. So hopefully it is just some sun scalding, basically a suntan, being in the direct sun. I am a little concerned about it being a bit brown there. So the soil is relatively dry, but today we're just going to hold off a little bit and see what happens. Hopefully this turns red. If it turns mushy brown, we've got to pick it, get rid of it so the plant can focus the rest of its attention on these other pods. But we'll leave it for now and just hope it's a bit of sunburn and not the dreaded blossom end rot on this ghost pepper. Smaller plants here are looking a little bit sad. A little bit droopy on the leaves and the soil is bone dry. So let's get them a bit of water, a little bit of fertilizer and perk them up. The Armageddon's looking a bit droopy, so a little bit of water and fertilizer there. And the Mirch Masalas. There's a branch, Mirch Masala. And that's a mystery there, as is that one. And then two Mirch Masalas. And then we've got two ghost peppers here. Very dry on the soil. and the Mirch Masala there. And then all of these are Mirch Masalas, splashing everywhere. And then one Carolina Reaper. So yeah, the Mirch Masala there as well. Look how dry that soil is. Yeah, a few more to do. Little dash here and there. A sweet banana. Yeah, that wraps up the day, everybody. Yeah, that wraps up day 159. We'll do our Tabasco here and our productive Cayenne. Looking great. None of those are turning yet. But yes, there we go, everybody. That wraps up the day. Thank you all so much for joining us. Hopefully this pepper's going to be alright. Who knows? Time will tell. It is looking a bit brown, isn't it? Oh well, dang it. We've got a lot more to come. And there's loads over there that have no signs yet. So we'll see. This is a good learning curve, I suppose, isn't it? And thank you very much to the viewer who pointed this out, because there's me going, oh great, it's going to be red, perfect. That would really be great if we let it just turn into brown mush, wouldn't we? Oh well, one down, that's alright, it's going to happen, isn't it? I think, well, who knows? Let's see what happens. You take care of yourselves, everybody. Have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend ahead. I hope it's awesome, and I hope you're doing everything that you love and you're passionate about. Or if it's just relaxing, I hope you are sat at home in comfort doing absolutely nothing. Sometimes that's really nice to do as well. Other than that, take care. Thank you all. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful Friday, and we'll see you tomorrow. See you Saturday for day 160. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.